Welcome. You are watching the daily life of rural farm pigs in the countryside. Deshi farm pigs happily forage for natural food across sunny rural village fields under the bright morning sky, surrounded by peaceful green nature together. Farm pigs enjoy eating flan rice grains under the cool shade of trees in a peaceful rural village field on a bright sunny day. Farm pigs search for natural food beside green bushes in a peaceful rural village field on a sunny morning. Farm pigs and their piglets enjoy natural food together in a wide open rural field on a beautiful sunny morning. As the sun sets, farm pigs lie down together with their piglets to rest peacefully for the night in a quiet rural village under the evening skies.